Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Craigslist account. So let's get started right away. Now you will need to use your web browser for this instead of the application. Open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, click on account once again and you will end up within your account homepage. From this page, click on settings at the top section and you will end up within your settings page. Within this page, you will see the change password button, which you can click on in order to change your password. After clicking on this button, you will first need to enter your old password that you currently use to log into your account. After typing in your old password, type in your desired new password within the new password box. You can then type in this new password once again for confirmation within the retype new password section. After typing in your desired new password twice on top of your old password, click on the change password button and now your password will successfully be changed on your Craigslist account. In case you have forgotten your old password, you can also click on the forgot old password option in order to reset your password and change into a new one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.